So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get master prompts for free using a new tool. So Prompt Cowboy is an AI tool that helps you turn a simple idea into a high quality master prompt for tools like ChatGPT, image generators, and other AI platforms. Instead of writing complex prompts yourself, it rewrites and upgrades them automatically. So firstly, open your browser and visit promptcowboy.ai. Create a free account, then log in to access the dashboard. Now, inside the tool, type a simple idea. For example, write a YouTube script about AI tools. Click Enhance or Generate Prompt, and the tool will convert your idea into structured, detailed prompt. This is what people call a master prompt, more detailed, better structured, and optimized for AI tools. Now copy the generated prompt, then pass it into ChatGPT, image generators, or other AI tools. It saves time writing complex prompts and improves AI outputs quality. Also, it helps beginners get pro-level results. So the better your original idea, the better the master prompt you get. So instead of make a story, try make a cinematic sci-fi story about a robot uprising a neon city. So Prompt Cowboy is a simple but powerful prompt enhancer that helps you get professional level AI prompts without learning prompt engineering. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I will see you on the next video.